Hello guys, I am the Lone Wolf and welcome back to another construction set time-lapse. Today we will be revamping Brotch Camp. This is one of the most plain camps in my opinion in the vanilla game. I thought I did a good job revamping it. Anyways, I know that this is involved with the honorary DLC, but I don't know if it conflicts, so if somebody would like to let me know in the comments from what they could see in the video, that would be awesome. Or when the mod is actually out, please let me know where it's posted if it does. Once again, the music is done by Officer Khajiit. I will leave a link to his Twitch and his SoundCloud in the description. And don't forget to click all those buttons that I won't patronize you about by listing individually. And I will see you guys next time. Peace.